didn't work out, did it?
I said we'd lose. You said we'd get back together too. Guess what, Cal? We lost. You won. That's what we do. Our best work after the fact. What are the Avengers? We're the Avengers, not the pre-Vengers.
Okay.
Right?
You made your point. Just sit down, okay?
No, here's my point. You know what?
Just
Great
sit down.
We need you.
Sit
You're
down.
new blood. A bunch of tired old mules. I got nothing for you, Cap. I got no coordinates, no clues, no strategies, no options. Zero. Nada. No trust. Here, take this. You find him. Put that on. You hide.